Hello, Kadu Dong and Kadu Dai. Today I will share with you how to get PRN online using SSS mobile application. But before we proceed, let me introduce first my super sticker sender, last premiere.
Shout out! Pinkar Yes 75 Alada.
Step 1. Open mobile app. Step 2. Sign in your user ID and password. Step 3. Click PRN. Step 4. Click Create. Step 5. Select membership type, voluntary or O, if W. Next, select applicable month and year, example, April to December. Then select amount from 390 minimum to 3,250 maximum contribution. Then submit. Press OK. My PRN.
Woo!
Thank you for watching. Up next, how to pay voluntary contribution.